Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River. We're getting close to the end on the Advent boxes. This is a Missouri Star Quilt Company box. Beautiful box. And this is the soft squares. Okay. Day 23. Obviously, it's a book. Some kind of a book. Probably a pattern book. Oh, it's a quilted notebook cover project. Oh, okay. So it's a plain, this is a plain notebook. And then there's pattern so that you can make a covered notebook. Pretty cool. Funny because this is another one of those projects that 10, 15 years ago we were all making. So it's neat to see things come back. And this also has an alphabet so that you can do, it looks like you can embroider a little design so you can embroider your initial or somebody else's initial on the front. And then do a little pocket with a pencil. That'll be a fun project. That's day 23. Day 23 of soft squares. It's got to be a charm pack. Let's hope it's a charm pack. Okay. And crazy quilt paper. There's some paper so you can do paper piecing crazy quilt. And then we have a charm pack of red, white, and blue Venertex 42 pieces 5-inch squares. Let's hear it for the red, white, and blue. This charm pack makes it easy to get coordinating prints into one project. This crazy pattern will make it super easy to make a crazy block project. And then you can add extra fabric if you want. That's fun. If you've never done paper piecing, this would be a great one because you've only got two seams. Okay, thank you very much. And like I said, this was from day 23. We're getting close to the end. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything and stop back tomorrow for day 24. Thank you.